I am absolutely infatuated with the Prophet ﷺ. One of them that sticks out in my mind is the way he dealt with people that were insulting and demeaning towards him. One time he's sitting in the company of his best friend and his most ardent believer, Abu Bakr. And they're sitting together and some people came and started heckling them. And they started doing so by cursing the Prophet ﷺ. Actually, no, not by cursing him, but cursing Abu Bakr, his friend. And cursing him, his mother, his sister, his family, his daughters, etc. And Abu Bakr sitting there patiently knowing that that's what's demanded of him. He needs to be able to take these insults and these horrendous words and respond in a civilized, quiet fashion. But they realize they can't get anything out of Abu Bakr, so they start turning to the Prophet and they start cursing him and saying things about him, which at that point Abu Bakr couldn't take it. Because his love of the Prophet was so intense, ﷺ, that he just got up and he just started, trying to stop them from saying the words that they were saying. And the moment he got up and tried to deal with them, the Prophet himself got up and started walking away. So now Abu Bakr is in a bind. Should he deal with these fools that were making fun of the Prophet, or should he go after his beloved Prophet? So he decides to leave those guys. They're not worth it. He goes after the Prophet himself, ﷺ, and he says to him, why did you leave? And he said, while you were sitting there, as they were cursing you, there were angels surrounding us, all of them declaring that Abu Bakr is committed to the truth. And as soon as you got up in anger, even to defend me, the angels flew away. And I don't sit in the company where angels aren't there. SubhanAllah. He's telling Abu Bakr as-Siddiq what it means to be an angelic presence. Muslims, our love of the Prophet ﷺ is only increased because of the people who hated him, who said the worst things about him. He was actually only able to respond to them at the lowest level with silence, with nothing, just walking away. And otherwise, he would even reciprocate with loving words, with kind words. And that's something incredibly admirable to look up to, and a goal and a standard to aspire towards. And I hope that our da'wah, inshallah, lives up to that remarkable